Are you sick and tired of wasting time leveling railing posts? Trust me, I know exactly what you're going through. I used to have the same problem. There's nothing more frustrating than shoving in shims and washers to try and level a post. If you're in the railing business, you're losing money every time you need to shim a railing post. It involves a lot of costly trial and error, and each time you need to loosen the fastener and try again. Think about it. If an installer takes an extra 5 minutes per post to get level, you've paid an extra hour and a half of labor for those 20 posts. Multiply that over a year and you can see how much leveling is actually costing your business, not even counting the cost of those shims and washers. I'm Victor Onashenko, and I've installed well over 1,000 railing posts in my business. I'm about to show you a fantastic new way to install railings. With my invention, it can take as little as 60 seconds to level a post. It's called Levaplate, the world's only integrated leveling system for metal railings. Levaplate is a railing post leveling system that solves a century-old problem and eliminates plastic, shims, and washers. Here's how it works. Levaplate welds to the bottom of any post. Each plate has set screws built into the corners of the leveling system. Once you have your holes marked out, drill your pilot holes, set the post in place over the pilot holes, find the highest point. Without adjusting the first set screw, fasten the highest point with a mounting screw. The set screws are hollow, allowing the mounting screw to pass through the center. Going to the second hole, use a 3/8 inch Allen key to adjust the set screw. Once it's in position, fasten it with a mounting screw. Continue working in a circular direction, leveling the other corners using the built-in set screws. Fasten with the mounting screws as you go around. It's that quick and simple. You can easily make final adjustments in any direction, tightening the mounting screws or the set screws. An optional base plate cover completes the post for a professional, clean look. Once you've gotten the hang of it, you can install a post in around 60 seconds. We manufacture Levaplate in the USA, and we know you're going to love this system. If Levaplate doesn't cut your leveling time in half, return the plates for a full refund. The bottom line is you can try Levaplate, see how much easier it is to install a rail post, or you can go back to paying more for your crew to cut shims and add washers. Levaplate brings consistency to your projects and eliminates the need for shims and washers. You can order Levaplate in multiple sizes, and we offer it in mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. To order, click the link below.